Hi students, I am Arjunan. Now we are going to explain running of a man behind a moving bus. So here initially man and bus both were at a rest. Suddenly bus starts and it is moving forward. By seeing the movement of bus, suddenly man also start to move. He is running behind the moving bus. He is trying to catch the moving bus. So our aim is to find the time taken by the man to catch the bus. Time taken by the man to catch the bus. That is our aim. So two different cases are here. Case 1. If a man is moving with a constant acceleration and a bus is having constant velocity. Initial separation between man and bus is S1. Now the formula for time taken by the man to catch the bus is given by T is equal to V plus or minus root V square plus 2AS1 by A. So what is A? A is acceleration of man. V is velocity of bus. S1 is initial separation between man and the bus. Solve this equation and find two values of T. If there is a negative value of T, that negative value should be discarded or neglected because time cannot be negative. If two positive values of T are obtained, you consider only the minimum value of T because our aim is to find the minimum time in which the man can catch the bus. So that is case 1. Next is case 2. So case 2, man is running with a constant velocity and the bus is having constant acceleration. Here also initial separation between man and bus is S1. So now the time taken by the man to catch the bus, the formula is given by, shortcut formula is given by T is equal to V plus or minus root V square minus 2AS1 divided by A. So what is A? V? V is velocity of man, A is acceleration of bus, S1 is the initial separation between man and bus. Solve this equation and find here also two values of T. Negative value of T should be neglected, time cannot be negative. Then if two positive values of T are obtained, you consider only the minimum value of a positive value of T. So now, after discussing this case 1 and case 2, now we are going to explain the general formula, the general condition. So the general case, that means man is running behind the bus and the bus is in motion also. So here man can have either constant velocity or constant acceleration. Similarly, this bus can also have either constant velocity or constant acceleration. But one thing, if a man is having constant velocity, this bus should have constant acceleration. If a man is having constant acceleration, bus should have constant velocity. That means one body, acceleration should be constant, other body, velocity should be constant. That is the condition. So general case is here, the shortcut to find the time taken by the man to catch the bus is given by T is equal to V plus or minus root V square plus or minus 2AS1 by A. This one is the formula. So what is V? Constant velocity. That can be of a man or bus. What is A? A is acceleration. That can be of constant. That can be of a man or bus. S1 is the initial separation between man and the bus. Here this term 2AS1 can be either positive or negative. So 2AS1 is a positive, in which case if a man is having constant acceleration, and the bus is having constant velocity, in that condition you have to take 2AS1 as a positive. So 2AS1 will be negative. In which situation? For man, if velocity is constant and for bus A is equal to constant. Here also solve this equation, find the two values of T, neglect the negative value of T, time cannot be negative. So if two positive values of T are obtained, consider only the minimum positive value of T. So like that we found the minimum time taken by the man to catch the bus. That's all.